All right. Megadeth, Tornado of Souls.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but we just had a traumatic experience with the last rock and roll song we just did.
What was the name? Slayer.
Slayer, Blood Raining. Was it Blood Raining?
Raining Blood.
Raining Blood, man.
As soon as I seen all that artwork on Google, I see
Apparently, it was about killing angels in heaven.
Time to wrap
and
it
the
up.
blood coming down.
Yeah.
What was it with that, man?
Yeah, man.
Didn't feel right.
That was probably the only rock song we've done that's been on that type of time, that type of demonicness. And it was tough, man. So hopefully Megadeth has something for us, man. We can get into some good rock, man.
This one says, Tornado of Souls of 1990s Rust in Peace takes a dramatic turn thematically. While many of the song's album involves aliens, magic, and war and other types of sorts, this, according to Mustang, is more about a broken relationship and eager to get back in the game, as it were.
Oh, wait, but Megadeth was the one that left Metallica, or was that?
That's Mustang, yeah.
Mustang
got kicked out, yeah.
Mustang.
Oh, and then he made Megadeth.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get it, man.
Mustang.
All right, man.
Megadeth! Her Eye of the Tornado. That is insane, man.
I like this song.
Yeah, this is great. Alright, keep going. Let's keep going.
Who's to say what's for me to be? Who's to say what's for me to do? Cause there ain't nothing that'll be for me.
Hey, this solo is different.
I know where you guys from.
California. No, I can see that.
I'm
no pause.
Did y'all really feel that, bro?
No, that was really hard.
That was crazy.
Like, I feel like I felt seeing a picture, bro. Like, I was like,
Yeah, that was
like actually with a girl, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, with the finger. And then he said with the kiss. And then he said, you feel my cold breath. I said,
I was just feeling the guitar, man.
I thought that shit was hard.
That was different, bro.
the lyrics had
Drums
me-
was going stupid.
Megadeth just put a lot
hard.
of bands in the trash can. I can't lie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
Megadeth's up
Megadeth.
there.
That one we did, Holy War, was really good, and we never did another one after that. I thought that was a banger.
Man, this felt like
About the war in the Middle East.
This was insane.
We gotta tap
bro.
into more of these folk, man. What's some Megadeth songs y'all like, man? Let us know, bro.
Yeah,
This
please
is
let
hard.
us know, man.
Yeah.
Was that other song off this album? I think it was.
Nah.
Yeah, man. This was different. I can't lie, man. This was up there for me. I
No,
can't
this
lie.
was a good-
This for sure. I ain't gonna say top 5. It might be top 10 for sure.
Yeah,
For
this,
sure.
this was hard.
Just a
In
love.
this type of genre, for sure.
This is like a toxic love banger.
Cause you know it ain't that you
It
know.
is off this album, you're right.
Yeah. It ain't like
Rest in peace.
it's a different vibe. It's different type of rocks. It's like the 2000s. You know what I'm saying? What was that band we did that we said had the coldest banger? Dang, what was that band?
This-
Green Day. This is like. Is this,
This is
like?
heavy metal,
80s.
though.
That's like alternative, ain't it?
Is it?
Green Day?
Yeah.
I
Is
believe
it?
so.
I'm gonna keep it heavy. This had to be in the 70s or the 80s.
Yeah, they're in the 70s and 80s.
Alternative is probably the best stuff we've heard in my
Yeah, that's
opinion.
my
Yeah,
favorite.
now that's-
I like that.
Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
That was one of my favorites
Are you
ones.
okay? Yeah, that might be for sure top 5.
Alien,
Black Betty.
Alien
I don't know what Black Betty is.
That
though.
shit was hard. I don't
Yeah,
care, bro.
Black
That
Betty.
shit
You
was
said it,
hard.
Michael Jackson.
That's Alien and Farm. They made that. You was in here when we
I
did
don't
that?
think he was.
Oh.
Hey, that was a banger, bro.
Well, that was cold. The
I thought
video
you was
was...
seeing the Michael. I was gonna say
Like,
that.
they was going
I was
crazy.
wondering, I was like, bro, that wasn't pop, bro. I was like, bro, that
I was
wasn't
gonna say Michael is pop, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're getting them back on that rock wave, guys. So let us know what y'all want. Hit us on Instagram and let us know how y'all feel about Megadeth in the comments. We're out of here.